Welcome to the unboxing and review of my first Bloomscape.com order. The website was no nonsense and set up really nicely. I personally think giving of a plant is a great gift, so I ordered the Tough Stuff collection made up of a Sansevieria snake plant, a ZZ plant, and a Hoya variety for $65 plus tax. There's also a standard $7 shipping fee, but first-timers can receive a $10 off coupon. Yay! I placed my order on a Wednesday night and I received it at 12 noon on Saturday afternoon. I was really surprised, especially since the website says there's a 4 to 6 day turnaround to even ship. The 3 plants in this package are extra small in size, so maybe that's a 4 to 5 inch container. And the pots come in a color called alabaster, terracotta, and basalt. That's the color of volcanic rock. As you can see, that's the color that I chose. The plants were firmly taped down in this nice, lightweight box. And there was a cocoa coir covering the top layer of soil, along with a decorative moss type material that you can leave on or remove. I think I prefer to leave the decorative covering because I think it keeps down the gnats. The best part of this order is that Bloomscape sent background information as well as water, light, and fertilizing needs for each plant. Yeah, and also sent a card of 1, 2, 3, 4 steps that you should take that will help you get off to a great start. So in conclusion, I can appreciate the sizing and the pricing, and I'll be ordering from Bloomscape for myself again. I've got my eye on the prickly pear cactus. I don't know, we'll see. If this video was helpful, please like and share, and happy plant parenting.